just cut, being very careful again. I'm going to keep saying it. You're going to get tired of hearing it, but you got to be very careful. That these don't get hung up. If they get hung up, don't force it. I'm going to keep saying that over and over. You're going to get sick and tired of hearing it. Never force these things. This old speedometer, I should have taken this off before I started the video. I'll take that off later. That speedometer doesn't work. I don't know if it's just a dead battery or what, but I think we have some ideas for something better instead of just speed and average time. And I think the owner of this bike, which is Tori, my son, has another idea about what he wants as far as a cycle computer. So I'm going to pull that off, but I'm not going to have a video on that. That's just a screw and taking it off. Too easy. All right. Now again, the fumbly part. Hopefully this one will go on a little easier than the other one did. That'd be nice. That'd be a dream. Guess I spoke a little too soon, or I wished upon the wrong star or something. I honestly have to say, I think this is probably the hardest part of the whole deal. I think it's because they're trying to be super clever and hide everything underneath these boots. Alright, I don't want to make these videos too long, so all that's left is to finish getting these cables fished where they gotta go and getting them hooked up. And getting everything adjusted. I'm not going to bore you with all those details. I'm going to finish up here, and then once I get everything ready to adjust, I'll go ahead and do another video on adjusting the derailleurs and adjusting the brakes. That'll be for another time. Thanks for watching. Happy biking.